Want to make a tasty and nutritious dish without spending too much? I have got the perfect recipe for you. Here is a budget-friendly, crispy fried zucchini recipe that is both simple and delicious. And trust me, even kids will eat it.
Yay!
To make this crispy fried zucchini recipe, you will need 2 fresh zucchini that feel firm and heavy when you pick it up. Look for ones with smooth, vibrant green skin, free of any bruises or blemishes. You want them to be larger in size, which are perfect for slicing up and turning into crispy golden goodness. Before we start cooking, let's prep the zucchini. Using a sharp knife, chop off both ends, then carefully slice them lengthwise into even slices. That way they will all cook evenly and be crispy on the outside and tender inside. Now, spread out the zucchini slices on the cutting board and sprinkle them with some salt and pepper. Try to get them as evenly as possible. Then, flip the slices over and season the other side with salt and pepper also. Once all the zucchini slices are evenly seasoned, then leave them aside for a moment. Now, take a mixing bowl and crack open 3 eggs into it, and use a fork to beat them until they are well mixed together. Next, you will need about 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of cheese. Parmesan is usually the go-to because it adds a great depth of flavor and blends perfectly with eggs. Finally, grate the Parmesan and then add it all to the egg mixture. After that, I typically sprinkle in some Italian herbs and red paprika powder, but you can always tweak the seasonings to your liking, like garlic powder, onion powder, or even some chili flakes are a good option. Then give everything a good mix. Take a shallow dish and pour the egg and cheese mixture into it. Next, take a large plate and pour 1 cup of breadcrumbs onto it. Then add half a cup of all-purpose flour and mix it thoroughly with the breadcrumbs until they are well combined. Now, prepare a frying pan by adding enough cooking oil for shallow frying. Heat the pan over medium-high heat until the oil is hot and shimmering. Next, take a slice of zucchini and roll it in the breadcrumb mixture on the plate, making sure it is fully coated. Gently press and flip the zucchini and breadcrumbs to make sure they stick. Then, dip the coated zucchini slice into the egg and cheese mixture, making sure every part is well covered. You can use a fork or tongs to flip the slice if needed so that all sides are well coated. Then, carefully place the zucchini slices in the hot oil and fry them on medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until they are golden brown and crispy. Repeat the process until all the zucchini slices are all cooked. Now, let me show you how to make a perfect dip that goes so well with these fried zucchini slices. Crush 2 cloves of garlic with a crusher. Next, take 3 gherkins and grate them using a medium grater so that you will get small, uniform pieces that will blend well into the dip. Next, grate a boiled egg using the medium grater to ensure it mixes seamlessly into the dip. Then chop up a handful of fresh dill to add a burst of herbal freshness to the dip. Next, take half a cup of Greek yogurt or sour cream and put it in a small bowl. Mix in the grated egg, garlic, gherkins, and chopped dill, and give everything a good mix. With your crispy fried zucchini and creamy dip ready, it is time to enjoy. Take a moment to appreciate the flavors and textures. Let me know what you think of this zucchini recipe in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this crispy fried zucchini recipe, be sure to check out this nutritious and delicious and super healthy lentil patty recipe here. Check it out now!